students, welcome to AJ Akshara Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to explain class 10 electricity, NCERT, CBSE, state. In this session, I am going to explain symbols and symbols of electric components in the electric circuits and its uses. బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు నో అబౌట్ ది సెషన్, ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన కామెంట్స్ను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియచేయండి. లెట్ us go to the today's session. Symbol. An electronic symbol is a pictogram used to represent various electrical and electronic devices or functions such as wires, batteries, resistors and transistors in a schematic diagram of an electrical or electronic circuit. So this is a definition of a symbol. An electronic symbol is a pictogram used to represent in various electrical and electronic devices or functions such as wire, battery, resistors and transistors in a schematic diagram of an electrical or electronic circuit. Go to the symbols used in electrical circuits. Now discuss one by one. First, this is the table explains the symbols used in electric circuits. Name of the circuit components, here description of each and every circuit component and which symbol we are representing to add these circuit components. Let us discuss one by one. Let us go for first one, an electric cell. In a cell, longer line indicates positive terminal and this is a positive terminal, and the shorter line indicates the negative terminal. This is the symbolical representation of a cell. So an electronic or electric cell provides constant potential difference between 2 points. This is the symbol used in electrical cell. Here longer line and shorter line. Shorter line indicates negative and longer line indicates positive. So here we are representing the positive and negative. Shorter one positive, shorter one negative and longer one positive. Okay, next come to the next one, battery. Battery is a combination of two or more cells connected in series. Either we can connect two cells or we can connect three cells. That combination we are calling as a battery. So here we are representing the two cells connected in series. Here one cell positive and negative and another cell positive and negative. Positive terminal, negative terminal. Negative terminal is connected to the positive terminal and then negative terminal is connected to the connecting wire. So this is the symbol for battery. Battery is a combination of two or more cells connected in series. Next we will go for bulb. Here we are taking the circuit diagram of the bulb. This is the symbol for electric bulb. And the next, resistance or resistor. It controls the current flowing through the circuit. This is the symbol representation of resistance. Next, circuit components, descriptions and symbols. First we will go for variable resistance. Provides variable resistance or potential divider. Here arrow mark, this is the representation of the variable resistance, or we can calling as a rheostat. This is the symbol for, we can write it as a rheostat. Variable resistance, it provides variable resistance and potential divider. And the next we will go for ammeter. It measures current through circuit. So current is measured by using an ammeter. This is the symbol for ammeter. A represents the ammeter. Here we are taking the letter A. A denotes the ammeter. Here we are taking positive terminal and negative terminal. And next come to the voltmeter. Measures potential difference between 2 points. Here this is the symbolical representation of the voltmeter. Positive terminal here and negative terminal here. V represents the voltmeter. And next, switch open or plug key. Open the circuit and we can use the switch either to open or to close. Here this is the symbol representation of the open circuit. Okay, next we will go for next circuit components, descriptions and symbols. Switch or plug key closed, that is closed the circuit. We have to close the circuit, we have to use the symbol. This dot denotes the close the circuit. Whenever we are putting this dot, entire the circuit components and along the circuit current is flowing through the circuit. Next, fuse. Fuse is a safety device. This is the symbol representation of the fuse. Next, wire joint. To join the wires we are using this symbol. And next, wire crossing without joining. We can use wire joint either this or this symbol. Okay, these are the two symbols for wires joint. Next, wires crossing without joining. This is the symbol wire crossing without next. What is wire crossing without joining? Wire crossing without joining nothing but the wires that do not touch each other are drawn without blobs. This is a symbolical representation of the electric cell and wire crossing without joining. These are the two symbols. And next question, what is the symbol of connecting wires? Wires connected. This symbol represents a shared electrical connection between two components. When building a circuit, this electrical connection can be made by plugging a lead from the each component into the same broadband row. These are the three questions. What is a wire crossing without joining? Wire crossing without joining nothing but the wires that do not touch each other are drawn without blobs. What is the symbol of connecting wires? Nothing but this is the symbol of connecting wires, and this symbol represents the shared electrical connection between the two components when building a circuit. This electrical connection can be made by plugging a lead from each component into the same broadband row. Next one, what is a symbol for a fuse? The symbol for a thermal fuse used in any electrical circuit diagram. A thermal fuse is a temperature sensitive switch. It operates on the temperature rather than the current unless the current is sufficient to increase the temperature above the threshold point. So this is the symbol represents the fused switch. This is the symbolical representation of the fuse. Okay, so in this session we discussed all the symbols are used in the electrical components and what are the symbols of the electrical elements in the electrical circuits. Okay, thanks for watching this video.